Ever wanted to erase an old WhatsApp group from existence, taking all the drama, awkward memories, and endless notifications with it? Let's dive into how to delete a WhatsApp group for good. It's not as simple as just leaving. It's a two-step process. First, you need to remove everyone in your group chat. Tap on the group name at the top to access the group info. Here, you'll see a list of all the participants. Tap and hold on each person's name individually. Then select Remove or Dismiss from the options that appear. This might take a moment depending on how many members you have. Don't worry. It's quite simple. Be sure to repeat this step for every member until only you remain. Once you are the sole member remaining in the group, you're almost there. Now that it's just you must exit. Tap the group name at the top again to go back to the group info. Scroll down and tap Exit Group. A confirmation screen will appear. Confirm that you wish to exit the group. After exiting, WhatsApp prompts you to delete the group. Tap the Delete Group option and just like that, the group is gone, deleted. Every message, every picture vanishes. For everyone involved, you have successfully removed your WhatsApp chat history. And that's how you delete a WhatsApp group. Remember to handle group deletion responsibly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful tips on WhatsApp and other apps.